Hi everyone, another boat show, another opportunity to see a new boat from CL Yachts. You guys might remember we were on the X96 just a few weeks ago, and that boat, graced our cover of our November issue for good reason. It's a real showstopper. This one, also a highly sophisticated, well-engineered boat that falls more in the mid-range of the boat. It's the CLB65. I think it's a popular size range, and it's going to really land right in the sweet spot for this brand. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. It started, as usual, in the engine room. If you followed some of our stories, you might remember CL Yachts has a lot of heritage in shipbuilding, and they build tugs, and so when I come in here, I see all of that DNA. It's good handrails, redundant systems, everything's clearly labeled. It really is a small ship in here. Well ventilated, IPS. Perhaps one of my favorite features that if my family had this boat and I was a kid again, I'd drive my parents absolutely crazy with this one. This is, again, another safety feature. There's an emergency escape from the master stateroom that leads you out to the engine room and it can get you out in case of an emergency. All right, I have to do it. Don't tell the guys at CL Yachts. It has to be done. So Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. That was pretty fun. All right, enough reliving my childhood. Let's take a look at the rest of the boat. Really nice master stateroom, full beam. These guys do a nice job of using all the space on the boat. Again, this is a 65-foot boat, and it's an absolutely massive head. So the more I get to explore some of their larger yacht offerings, like the 96, I can appreciate that a lot of the details work its way down. Helps if you open it. Using every inch of space for storage. Guest stateroom. The VIP up ahead. Again, it's interesting, the X96 was such a departure for the brand and this expedition style yacht. I think this yacht really shows that they're not moving away from the traditional offerings as well. Nice helm, strong visibility. Very modern design, but also feels comfortable at the same time. And just the space, I look at this angle here. This feels like a much bigger yacht than 65 feet. Again, it's a cliche to say that, but sometimes cliches are true. This boat will be here all weekend at the Fort Lauderdale show. Also expected to be at both Miami and Palm Beach. Recommend checking it out. Again, not really the frills of some of its sister ship, but just looking at the size of this boat, luxurious accommodations, it blends its larger yachts. It features also from the 96 and from their ships. It really is a blending of different worlds. It's something that's done really well. You can see more of this boat at pnymag.com. Stay tuned for more from the show.